walls, doors, windows and a roof. A house protects us from sun, rain and cold. We have different rooms in a house. Kitchen. We cook yummy food in our kitchen. Bedroom. We sleep and take rest in our bedroom. My most favorite room is living room because we spend time with our family and watch TV here. Bathroom. We take a bath and brush our teeth in a bathroom. Dining room. We eat in a dining room with our family. It's all about a house. If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you. Bye bye.